show you how to change the windshield wipers in a Volkswagen Passat. This is a 2017-2018 turbo 2 liter, but I believe it applies to many models. But anyway, you have to get only expensive wipers. The cheap one, they will not have these features, because as you see from here, that's the type of connectors you have. It's called narrow PV. You can see it there. So you push this and you can slide it off, but you will have to work a little bit on this to get to that condition. Now I'm going to show you how. So as it is in the video, sorry, in the description here, you have to remove, let me see, I can show you. This part has to go off, so you lift it here and you push it off. Okay, you lift it on the side and you push it off right there. That's the point number one here. You remove it, then you remove the blue that's going pushing in like this, and then let me see if it is that or not. Well, you lift it up. Okay, see here, you have to make it, open it, and in the bottom there is this clip that is gonna come out at that point, so you can remove it without breaking anything. And you stay with that piece. Okay, so we are here. So at this point we're gonna use this part to slide in, and the top one here is gonna go to work as a clip. Let me show you on the car. Remember that in the Passat you cannot lift the wipers without, opening the hood. So we're gonna have to open the hood, and after we did that, here we're gonna be able to lift from the inside. So it goes up. At this point we're able to do that. Look at that. See? Not really simple, but that's what it is. So this is how you remove it. Really easy. Remember to remove this for sure, because this is just protection. And then you have to slide this in, and this is going to be the clip. So it's a little tight, but it works. Let me see, do you see it or not? I don't know if you can see from this side. Just try to see which one is the best view for the camera, because you're gonna have to go really squeezing this part to get in, and also it is to go in, and the top one is gonna be there. So you see, really have to squeeze it in. It's a little hard, but that's what it is. But the top one also has to go in. See, there are two lips here. They have to go in also, those. So that's the trick. You have to push it a little lower, so the top, they go in. You see, now they're going. Let me see if I can show you there. Oop. I hope it's clear. Let me take some picture and I'm gonna add it. See, like that, they're all in, and this one is on the top. So now it's very easy. You can push it in and it's gonna click. See? It's not coming out. To come out, you have to lift this. See if one hand I can do it. You lift that and you push it, and it's coming out. Well, with one hand, it's very impossible, probably. But that's how it is. You lift this and you push it out. Okay? So the other one is exactly the same. Let me show you again, maybe with two hands. Okay. See, so when you have to remove it, you lift this. It's a little hard, that's why you cannot do it with one hand. You lift it up and you push it out. See? Now it's out. Out. Let's do the other one too. At least you can see it. Tick. Push it down and it's locked in. And you have to lower it and use the tilt the other one. Lift the other one. Oh no, the other one, sorry, is gonna have to be from the other side, from the top side. Because you see, it's gonna hit there. You cannot do that. So you lower again. Welcome to Volkswagen world. And then from here, you're gonna be able to, you cannot lift it all the way, but you can remove it. There's no other way, I believe. So it's very easy to remove this one. But the new one, it's kind of complex. But anyway, it's not that really difficult. Those are Rain X Latitude, like $14, $15 each. Those are the cheapest they found for the Volkswagen. Really. So let's do it again. You open here. And you slide it off. Then you still have to remove the blue part. Then you see that in the bottom how it is. So you open and then you push it down. This is easier to remove because you can push it down and it comes out. And then that's it. Then you have to just find a way to get in here. So both in, top and bottom, because it tries to go up. So that's the difficult part. But once they're in, see, once they're in, you just push it. It's very easy. Remember to remove the yellow part, and you're fine. Oh, I just saw that I got one that is too long. Strange, because I got 2419. That's the size. So probably I have to put the 24 over there. Yeah, that's the error, and 19 here. Good job, you see? So the 24, it goes in the long side, even if it's not like that, because before it was. Let me see the size. Why do they say 2419 and it is not 2419? You see, this is a little shorter. Oh no, it's the same length. So let me see why. Probably this type of attachment is a little longer. Yeah, so you see, because I have to watch the video, I got confused. So the 24 come here, and the 19 goes the passenger side. That's it. Drop down, I tested. The other were very noisy. Let's see this one. Well, they clean perfectly. Thank you.